Required ba na marunong mag-Japanese bago makapag-apply sa JET program? The answer is no. As a matter of fact, zero Japanese ako when I applied. Pero gaano nga ba makakatulong to sa application mo? When I had my interview, I was also asked to introduce myself in Nihongo. Mabuti na lang talaga nag-research ako how to introduce myself briefly in Japanese. Hindi ko alam kung nagkaroon ako ng additional points doon, but I was relieved na naitawid ko. Pero sino nga ba yung sigurado may additional points sa first screening ng application process? According to the website, those applicants who have Japanese study background and Japanese language background o yung mga GLPT passers. Kung makapasa ka sa first screening, may second screening pa. Dito na mangyayari ang teaching demo, interview, and English exam. Meron pang Nihongo conversation test, pero optional lang yun. Kung confident ka sa Japanese mo, pwede mong i-take to. If you do well, of course, dagdag points din sa'yo. So if you're planning to apply this year, I suggest that you start learning Nihongo now. If you're looking for an online Japanese language course to help you reach your JLPT goals, I recommend Archie Sensei in Japan. He offers N5 to N1 courses for a very affordable price. Well-structured and well-organized ang courses. At talaga namang real-life applicable ang sinishare niya. Bilang matagal na rin siya dito sa Japan. Ongoing po ang enrollment and classes will start in September. Mag-inquire na kayo dahil limited lang po ang slots. More details and link to his FB page in the comment section. May tanong ka pa? Comment mo lang dyan. Susubukan kong masagot yan. So, paano? See you in Japan!